Hi, in this video the Legalraasta team will teach you all about increase in authorized capital in India. Now, what is the meaning of increase in authorized capital? The authorized capital is the maximum amount of capital which a company can raise through issue of shares to its shareholders. With Legalraasta you can change in authorized capital by filling a simple online form available online at our website. The package for change in authorized capital starts at Rs 3,299. Legalraasta.com is India's top destination for legal and company matters. We can help you in forming any type of business entity, example private limited company, LLP, filling individual and company return, helping companies for their compliances such as ROC filings and minutes, protecting work through trademark and copyright. We are a trusted partner with multiple top-level expertise and affiliation, and yet cost-effective. So log on now at Legalraasta.com to increase in authorized share capital or mail us at contact@legalraasta.com.